Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video. Today I will guide you through creating a striking fire-burning text effect in After Effects using one of the simplest methods available. Let's get started. We begin with a composition already set up at a size of 5000 by 5000 pixels. Select the text type tool and enter your desired text. For this demonstration, I am using the word emotions. With the text selected, set its color to white and confirm your choice. I am using the Provicali font, which is available for free download from Google. Next, align the text to the center of the composition and adjust its size to approximately 500 pixels. Ensure the anchor point is also centered within the text. In the timeline, right-click, select New, and choose Solid Layer. You may name this layer Solid and set its background color to black before clicking OK. With the solid layer selected, navigate to Effects and Presets and search for the Saber plugin. This plugin is free to use and can be downloaded and installed from Google. Drag and drop the Saber effect onto the solid layer. In the Effect Controls panel, under Customize Core, set the core type to Text Layer and select your text layer as the source. Open the core distortion settings and set the distortion amount to around 30%. Adjust the motion blur value to approximately 5%. Under the Preset section, select Fire. Set the glow intensity to about 80% and adjust the core size to around 2. Still under Customize Core, animate the end offset to create the fire effect. Ensure the playhead is at the beginning of the timeline. Enable a keyframe for the end offset at 0%. Then move the playhead forward by about 2.5 seconds and set the end offset to 100%. Press U to reveal the keyframes. Select them. Press F9 to apply Easy Ease, and press U again to hide the keyframes. Preview your fire text animation, and you'll see the impressive result. Feel free to use this effect in your own projects. The free project file link is provided in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.